Good morning, dear children. How are you all? I hope all are doing good. This is Moral Science Study Time. Why do we learn moral science? We learn some good values in moral science that we have to practice in our daily life to become a better person. Today we will learn lesson 6 from Gems for Life or Moral Science book. The name of the lesson is Love and Care. So, what is love? Love means liking a person or giving some gift to our friends. Are these acts of love? Yes, these are expressions of love. Do you like your papa? Yes. Do you like your mom? Yes. You like your brothers, sisters, like that. Okay. You like both father and mother because you love them. Children, do you know God filled our hearts with love? We give this love to others through our acts of love. Now, I am going to tell a story of a pretty girl named Meera. One day, Meera's teacher, Miss Vani, was telling a story of, of a poor old man whose home is railway station. He is living on the food which others give. He had no good clothes to wear like that. After hearing this story, Meera started crying. So, Miss Vani asked her, "What happened, Meera?" Meera herself was not aware of the reason for crying. Actually, Meera remembered her mom and the plenty of delicious food items available to her on the dining table. Her mom always used to tell that there are many people who do not have anything to eat. So, do not waste food. Then Meera asked her mom, "How can I show my love to that poor old man in the story?" Meera's mother told her that we have to love not only our friends and relatives but also the sick, old, and those who have no one to look after them. Only then they will understand that we love them and care for them. Yes, children, Mahatma Gandhi once said, "Where there is love, there is life." So, that day Meera took a decision that today onwards I will give more love and consideration to others. Children, you should also take a decision that I will always love and give consideration to the old and needy people. In this way, we can show our acts of love. So, let us remember the saying of Saint Chavra: "Do not hate your brethren." Now, we wind up this lesson with a small prayer. Let us pray. Oh my God, teach me to love and care for everyone. That's all for today. Bye, children. Take care. May God bless you all.